Can you sell enough STL files to buy a Bambu X1 Carbon? This is what I am trying to find out, and this is week 11. So I'm going to show you my numbers for this week. Here they are. So last week we were on 920 sales, and this week we are on 936. That makes it a total of 16 sales this week. Yay! And I put the numbers in my spreadsheet. It's a total of 56.36 euros, which puts us at 1,056.07 euros. And we still have 690.93 to go. So here's what I sold this week. I sold 6 leprechauns in a hat. I sold 3 clovers, St. Patrick's Day dragons. 1 surprise bucket commercial version, a kingfisher commercial, a whole lotta dragon commercial, a surprise bucket normal version, a Frankenstein commercial version, a long-legged gnome commercial version, and a birthday dragon customizable. Don't forget, Monday, my daughter's new model is coming out on mycult3D, so if you want to support her, all the money she earns from her file goes directly to her, so they will not be in my Bambu calculation sheet. Other than that, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you again next Saturday. Bye!